Ever wondered what space smells like? You might be surprised to learn that many astronauts have reported a scent reminiscent of burnt steak. But why is that? Let's dive into the science behind this cosmic aroma. When astronauts return from spacewalks, they often describe a unique scent that clings to their suits. Former astronaut Thomas Jones said it smells like seared steak or hot metal. But what causes this intriguing odor? In the vacuum of space, there are no air particles to carry scents like on Earth. However, when astronauts re-enter their spacecraft, the residual particles from space interact with their suits. These particles can include ionized gas and other chemicals, which, when they come into contact with oxygen, produce that distinct burnt smell. Research suggests that the smell could be attributed to compounds like polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs, which are formed by the combustion of organic materials. These compounds are prevalent in the universe, and when exposed to heat and oxygen, they can create that smoky aroma. This fascinating scent has also made its way into pop culture. From movies to documentaries, the idea of space smelling like burnt steak has captured our imagination, sparking curiosity about what lies beyond our atmosphere. So, while we may not be able to take a whiff of space ourselves, the reports from astronauts give us a tantalizing taste of the cosmos. Next time you fire up the grill, remember, you're not just cooking a meal. You're also connecting to the vast, mysterious universe out there. If you enjoyed this cosmic exploration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights into the wonders of space. Until next time, keep looking up.